growing platform. With 50 properties and 30 franchisee alliances already operational, Country Club is setting its sights on an ambitious future, aiming to add 100 new franchises within the next year, further strengthening its growth worldwide. अब वो चाहे होली हो या वैलेंटाइंस में जिसे हम डार्लिंग्स डे बनाते हो या 2024 का बढ़िया हिट डांडिया नाइट्स. Now this brand's commitment to family-friendly, highly entertainment, while also showcasing the opportunity for its franchisee network. अब मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप सब जितने कंट्री क्लब यहाँ पे आप सब आपके लिए जोरदार तालियां बजाएं ताकि for this vision we all are together. Thank you so much for being here. Now, invites you all for an exciting announcement of Asia's biggest New Year bash, the War of DJs, a spectacular pan-India celebration with Mumbai. मुंबई जिसमें सबकी जान बसती है और उसी में कंट्री क्लब में इतनी बड़ी सेलिब्रेशन होने वाली है. अब मैं इसी के साथ लेट्स प्रो की बात कर रही थी मीडिया के साथ. दैट इज द अनवीलिंग ऑफ पोस्टर ऑफ चलो श्रीलंका बड़े दिलवाले का. This is one of the premium card that we are unveiling the poster on. So I request sir and ma'am to please do the honors.
छोटा कैमरा नीचे. यस रेडी. क्या बात है.
जोरदार तालियां हो
ओह माय गॉड.
मैं इसी के साथ कहना चाहती हूँ कि ये एक ऐसा प्रीमियम कार्ड है. हम सब इंटरनेशनल हॉलीडेज की बात करते हैं. इसी कार्ड के साथ आप अपने इंटरनेशनल हॉलीडे में जा सकते हो, which gives 6 nights and 7 days for an holiday package.
कम और क्लोज ना पुरानी लंबी आए. मैडम
साउंड कम करो.
बंद करवा दिया.
Sir and ma'am, I would request you to be on the stage, please. Okay. Now we have a bouquet presentation as a token of our gratitude and respect to our CMD, Mr. Rajiv Reddy, and for that I would like to call the ma'am Pradhanya onto the stage, please. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए यार जो भी यहाँ पे मौजूद है, प्लीज.
हेलो.
थैंक यू सर.
आओ. एक्सप्रेशन ही बदल दिया.
इसी के साथ मैं
थैंक
सर
यू.
को रिक्वेस्ट.
मैडम आप भी दीजिए सर को. हाँ.
फ्लावर्स किसको नहीं पसंद है.
यस थैंक
थैंक यू सो मच सर एंड मैम फॉर.
आज को 20 साल हो गए बॉम्बे को आया हूँ.
वाले फेल हो गए.
And I'm really honored that media has been so supportive, so very progressive in their approach towards this entertainment industry. I'm just reminded about one famous person whom I had met long back, and that was nobody else but superstar Rajesh Khanna. By chance we met, and then he was telling you are the famous Santa Pradenu. I was surprised because when Bazu ki jab bhi aaya tha, I was sitting in and he just came in the last moment. And then I said, Rajesh Khanna sir, I've been your fan for so many years. I'm glad that you recognize me. No, he said, Reddy sir, my name is Jitin. You can call me Jitin. And remember one thing, Reddy sir, I've seen all your hoardings, your promotional materials in Bombay. Bombay will give you only one chance. If you want to succeed, think big in Bombay and work hard. That is the only advice I can give you. And I think his advice has proved to be very important in my life. His philosophy has changed the entire direction of the country club. And so we are thinking about the famous legend Rajesh Khanna ji, who is no more with us, but then his voice always echoes in my mind. And really, that was a very inspiring conversation what I had with him. And my dear friends, so 20 साल हो गए, and let's give a big hand for Country Club for the 20 years of survival. And I just also want to thank our guest of honor, Sonali Raut. Actually, she is not a stranger to us. She is a part of the Country Club family. She is regularly using the Country Club Health Club, And in fact, now, failed to mention that even people like Ekta Kapoor and other film stars also have graced the country club many times. Even Amitabh Bachchan has had come, Sachin Tendulkar has come. So many important people have come. And I think this place location is fantastic. And it is also amazing, and it has become the central part of the city, and where most of the celebrities and all the TV stars and aspiring actresses and actors and all that make it their second home. And it always gives me a great pleasure whenever I come here. And of course, now you're coming back to the main show, and the opening of Bade Dilwale card. This is nothing but my experience recently, last month only. In fact, October 2nd is my birthday. I was in Sri Lanka that particular day. I was given a special party by none other than Arvinda De Silva, World Cup winner for Sri Lanka and Sri Lankan captain, a good friend of mine. So he gave a nice, good party, and that was a very big honor for me in Sri Lanka, because he knew that country club also was entering Sri Lanka in a very big manner. My visit to Kandy was very amazing. The visit to Buddhist temple also was very graceful. From there I visited White River rafting. You have seen in the video that White River rafting, even this particular shot was shot there. In fact, there is a movie called The Bridge on the River Kwai. If you Google it, you will see that particular movie. It was shot there, and it's one of the most iconic movies I have seen. My dear friends, this was a mark of salute to my old memories back in the day. And my good friend Arvinda De Silva made up for the trip by inviting me to stay back on that day. Actually, I was supposed to be back home in Hyderabad, but then his personal invitation held me back, and I chose to be there. And it was really an amazing day and a lot of experiences. I want to share the same experiences with all my fellow members. I always feel, my dear friends, that what is good for the chairman of the company is also good for the members. There were times when I started the club, I used to sit and eat twice a week along with my workers. I am basically a working person, and when I started my career about 30 years back, I was on a motorcycle. But then I'm an entrepreneur. It's not a question of money, it's a question of love. It's a question of passion, it's a question of your commitment to what you're doing. If you ask me who's the happiest person in the world, it is me. I long to get out of the bed, I long to get into the health club, I want to get back to this industry. This industry is a beautiful industry. It gives you an opportunity to meet lovely people, positive people who are surrounded very positively. That is the reason Bombay gives me the high. Staying and surviving in Bombay with the trains, people starting 2 hours before and trying to hit the work. I always tell this as an example to the people out of Bombay. If you want to really learn how to work, go to Bombay and see how they work. They work their butts off, they work 24 hours. They hardly, I don't know what you people eat, but then Bombay gives you the kind of energy which no other city or no other country in the world can give. And so let's give a big hand to Bombay again. So with the launch of the new card, I think a lot of people are going to visit. I will personally send you an invitation to all my fellow media people who are here today. We will be my personal guests. I'm sure, I think this year, our office will be in touch with you. And I'm sure we'll make this into a mega project and a great year coming forward. So all the best, and I wish you all the luck. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So many things that you said resonated with me, and something that about your...
I used to stay near Mulund, 4 rupees a bed, ma'am. I used to stay there. Because my nature, I am a very curious guy. I am a lover of traveling. And this has been there in my, I think, instincts. It's there in my genes, actually. Travel is fun for me. Meeting new people is fun. Doing dangerous stunts is my fun. embracing danger, I think, is a part of my personality. So, I mean, that is how much I love Bombay and how much Bombay is in my own genes and spirit. That is the reason I love the spirit of Bombay, and anybody who is successful in Bombay or even surviving in Bombay, big hand for them. So, I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, sir. It so resonates, and sir, something that you said, you are very happy, and the reason it completely says the speech that you just gave about your experience, it truly makes you happy. So yeah.
There is no point in making money or this because I really don't really, frankly speaking, I don't even bother about money. Money is a byproduct. But your memories, what is Country Club built of? It is nothing but built on memories of so many lakhs of members who visit the Country Club, who visit the health club, who visit the fitness centers, who visit our holidays. Our holidays, I mean, we are the biggest holiday players in the world, actually speaking. So, there is this vertical, no other company has got, and I am sure, I think, this year, particularly is a year of growth, and I am sure, I think, is going to be an amazing year. So let's wait for the year to begin. Last 2 years have been fantastic. We have overcome the COVID factor, and I'm sure, I think we're going to get guns.
Thank you so much. Sir के लिए जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. The way he has just told it in the form of story, I loved it. Okay, Q&A session नहीं है अभी. Ma'am, she will share few words and then we'll start with Q&A session. Yeah.
Hello everyone. I would like to thank media for coming today and presenting this beautiful show. I would like to say that Chale Sri Lanka with the Bade Dilwale card. Interested? Going to Sri Lanka? And I would like to thank Mr. Rajiv Reddy for making me part of Country Club. I would like to thank the team. They have been very supportive. They have been very nice. Good hospitality, and I would like to say that मैं अंधेरी में ही रहती हूँ. I stay very close, just 5 minutes away, and I come to the gym. So I've been part of Country Club. So मुझे कुछ I think it's almost 10 years I've been part of Country Club, and you can see I'm a lot into fitness. आप देख सकते हैं कि मुझे fitness का काफी शौक है. आपको आना चाहिए with your family, friends. Join the club. You can use the gym. There are a lot of activities. You can come with your family, with kids, with your parents. There is no age group. और मुझे तो मजा आ रहा है यहाँ पे. और I'm very happy that I'm international now. Thank you very much कि मुझे अभी कार्ड भी मिल गया. So I'll be traveling a lot. Anyways, I travel a lot. और I would like to say that it's fun. और एक और चीज, there is what do you say? On 31st, I have my performance in Country Club. So please be part of it. Join us, and let's meet for the countdown. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Tanali.
Ma'am, we are.
Tourism also. What do you want to say about this? Sri Lanka में किस तरह का tourism आप लेकर जाने वाले हैं Indians को, और किस तरह का वहाँ पे experience करवाने वाले हैं बड़े दिलवाले काम के से?
Yeah, thank you. That's a very interesting question, and I will tell you from the tourism point of view. Yes, Sri Lanka is coming out of a big economic recession, and for 1 rupee it is equal to 3.5 rupees. So you can understand the strength of the rupee compared to the strength of the Sri Lankan rupee. So it's a very, 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 very great package for the Indian consumers, especially for the Asian consumers also. And one of the main reasons, not only because of that, but also because Country Club acts more like a conduit, like a catalyst, like a brand ambassador for culture and tourism to the rest of the world. Like I was telling you earlier in the press conference, we are the biggest holiday givers, and this time we want to concentrate in Sri Lanka because even Bombay से लेकर there are 3-4 flights है. Every day across the country, Kerala से 3 flights है, Chennai से 3-4 flights है, Hyderabad से मैं खुद गया Hyderabad से 90 minutes में before you land in Delhi, like let us say from Bombay, you can land in Colombo. So it is like more or less an extension of our country only. And today, Sri Lanka does not require a visa, another important thing. You don't have to wait for the hassle for visa and all that. So we are trying to concentrate on aspects that will be very friendly with tourists and also friendly with the country club members and people who are non-members also. And people there, you can't discriminate. It's like going to Goa. People are very friendly, very nice, and very, very hospitable, and especially they embrace our culture and they embrace all these things. So you don't feel out of place, number one. Though it is a foreign country, we don't feel that, we are visiting a foreign country. We feel it is a part of India, and also we feel that Goan kind of a culture where there is so much of greenery, so much of water, so much of water sports, and so many spiritual things like this Buddha Truth Temple, and we have a property in Kandy, and it's really amazing. What I'm trying to tell you is, all the synergies are merged, and then I think this is a great product, and people are going to be really, really happy.
So what are the amenities you are providing there, or are you having a plan to expand in Sri Lanka?
Yeah, we are in the process of negotiations in Sri Lanka. We may come out with some clubs, more clubs in Colombo. So we are in discussions at this stage. And like I was telling you, because Sri Lanka is going through just recovering from a big economic slowdown, we had discussions basically to set up more clubs in Colombo also.
सर कंट्री क्लब के ये चलो श्रीलंका प्रोग्राम से दोनों देश के रिश्ते को कैसे देखते हैं आप?
It's more friendly यार. Yes, 1 घंटे का रास्ता है चेन्नई से, और बॉम्बे से maybe not even 2 hours. Before you reach Delhi, you can reach Colombo. So definitely people want an opportunity. आजकल traveling has become very, 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 very common. Unlike the previous generation, this generation especially, they want to keep traveling, and this is the fastest way to travel. And
What about you, Amanda? You've been to Sri Lanka before?
I've been to Sri Lanka many times for my work, for performance and shows. And I'm very happy that Country Club gave me this opportunity. So I'll be visiting again. And as you know, the country is very friendly, Sri Lanka. It's a visa-free country. You reach in like maybe in 3-4 hours. From Mumbai, you are in Colombo. I love Colombo basically because the place Kandy, which he mentioned, it's a very it's a seashell. You get shells there.
yeah,
Yeah, it's a very shell. You can visit there. You can have a holiday. There's a lot of tourism. The water is blue and like greenery. So it's amazing. Like Colombo is my favorite, and now I'm excited. I'll be visiting Country Club also.
And what about your 31st? And how much you have prepared for it?
Oh, I'm super excited because I'm doing 31st in Country Club for you guys, and like you all are invited. So there's a big celebration, big party. I have my performance. So we'll do the countdown, we'll bring in 2025 and we'll have a good time.
So what is your message for the 2025?
2025, I think it's going to be a beautiful year to everyone. I would like to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. The message I would like to say that be kind, be humble, be sweet, and follow your dreams. जो करना है कीजिए. And being a Mumbaikar, मी मराठी मुलगी आहे, मी मराठी बोलते, तर मी सगळ्यांना हेच बोलणार आहे की नवीन वर्षाचे हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
अच्छा ये किंगफिशर के पोस्टर गर्ल से अब चलो श्रीलंका के इस प्रोग्राम तक के आपके सफर के बारे में क्या है?
Oh my gosh, my first job was Kingfisher calendar. So yeah, it was the first bikini shoot, and it was in the Maldives. So and it was with Dr. Vijay Mallya and Atul Kasbekar. So मेरा first shoot था, बहुत ही memorable था, और उस calendar ने मुझे सब कुछ दे दिया. It gave me platform to movies. It gave me platform to reality show. Lot of doors opened for me. So and I miss Dr. Vijay Mallya.
सर मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ, अभी हमने देखा बांग्लादेश में बहुत अच्छी हालत थी, उसके पहले श्रीलंका की हालत बहुत अच्छी नहीं थी, और सोनाली में वहाँ जा रही हैं, तो सुरक्षा के हिसाब से किस प्रकार की तैयारी, आप क्या क्या अनुभव रहा है दर्शकों को बता सकें, किस प्रकार की सुरक्षा है, क्योंकि एक बड़ा इवेंट भी होने वाला है.
where you're talking about Sri Lanka or?
जी श्रीलंका.
सिक्योरिटी
Sri Lanka is one of the most safest places today in the world.
It is.
It is, I mean, all those old things have gone, and people are very peaceful, and local people are very nice people. Like I was telling you, I always compare them with people in Goa and all that. They are no this thing. Right now, the people are only concentrating on the economy, and they are concentrating on fun. And of course, like cricket and Bollywood go hand in hand in India.
Correct.
Like that, there also cricket and entertainment go hand in hand. And I'm sure, I think, because we share a lot of common friends, and everybody is very peaceful.
And a lot of Telugu, like.
अगर सोनाली मैम आप बता सके किस गाने पे आप परफॉर्म करने वाले हैं, अगर दर्शक को जानें।
मैं अपने 2 गानों पे परफॉर्म करूँगी। एक तो मैं रेट्रो रखने वाली हूँ। रेट्रो में तो आई थिंक सभी लोग एंजॉय करते हैं, बच्चे से लेके एल्डर्स तक। तो एक रेट्रो आइटम तो रहने ही वाला है। और अभी जो आपने गाने देखे, जैसे आज की रात, जो भी ट्रेंडिंग है, जो भी हिट सॉन्ग्स है, आई थिंक उसमें कुछ 4 या 5 गानों पे होगा। बट आई एम श्योर वी आर गोइंग टू हैव फन।
बिग बॉस भी बहुत तहलका मचा रहा था और बहुत अच्छी टीआरपी आ रही है, अगर बता सके आपका फेवरेट कौन
इस साल ना? ओ माय गॉश, बिग बॉस, मुझे पता था बिग बॉस का सवाल आएगा और बिग बॉस चल भी रहा है। आई थिंक मेरे जो इस साल फेवरेट है, इस साल मेरे जो दोस्त है करण मेहरा, वो है बिग बॉस पे, एंड आई थिंक इज़ डूइंग प्रीटी वेल, इज़ प्लेइंग वेरी वेल। आई थिंक वो मेरे दोस्त रहे हैं। मैंने इनफैक्ट उनके साथ 31 के 2 परफॉर्मेंसेस किए थे गोवा में, आई रिमेंबर। सो वहाँ से हमारी दोस्ती बढ़ी, और आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि करण बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है शो पे, लोग उसे काफ़ी पसंद भी कर रहे हैं। इज़ कमिंग अक्रॉस लाइक वेरी सेंसिबल, मास्टर माइंड या पीसफुल, आई डोंट नो, बट आई थिंक इज़ डूइंग प्रीटी वेल ऑन द शो। सो आई थिंक करण मेहरा इज़, एंड आई एम श्योर आई थिंक वो जीत भी जाएगा। मैंने प्रेडिक्ट भी किया था वो खतरों के खिलाड़ी भी जीतने वाला, आई थिंक ये सीज़न भी जीत जाएगा।
आपने जब बिग बॉस किया था तो इस सीज़न में और आपके टाइम में क्या सबसे ज़्यादा बदलाव देखने को मिला?
अच्छा, मैं तो यही बोल सकती हूँ, फर्स्ट तो लोकेशन। हमारा जब बिग बॉस होता था वो लोनावला में होता था, अभी जो है वो गोरेगांव में फिल्म सिटी में सेट लगता है, वो एक डिफरेंस था। और जब लोनावला में बिग बॉस होता था तब सलमान खान और उनकी टीम, मतलब 2 दिन के हॉलीडे पे ही सारे एक्टर्स, सारे बॉलीवुड लाइक सलमान के जितने भी क्लैन और ग्रुप और फ्रेंड्स हैं, वो हमेशा लोनावला में 2 दिन रहते ही रहते थे। और फ़र्क मैं ये कहूँगी कि पहले काफ़ी सारे सेलिब्रिटीज़ आते थे हमारे टाइम पे, अभी काफ़ी मौका मिला है इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, नॉन सेलिब्रिटीज़, तो आई थिंक ये एक डिफरेंस है। और आई थिंक लोग अभी काफ़ी अच्छा ही कर रहे हैं, सबको नेम मिल रहा है, फेम मिल रहा है। इट्स अ गुड प्लेटफॉर्म टू बी अ सेलिब्रिटी, एंड यू डू प्रीटी वेल आफ्टर द शो। आपने देखी कि कितने सारे सेलिब्रिटीज़ बिग बॉस से निकले।
If you get a chance to go in Big Boss Marathi.
Oh, I do have plans this year for Big Boss Marathi. Bye. Oh, I shouldn't have. Okay, I do have plans because कारण मी last year follow केलेलं Big Boss Marathi.
So there are 2 things, especially about this Bade Dilwara card, Sri Lanka. First thing, you mentioned about Sri Lanka country, which recently was under news. So, I mean, what is your aggressive planning to market the card?
Market the card is basically
What will be the any offer which will be
Special privileges to Indians.
Any budget people?
we have got this card that gives you access for 6 nights and 7 days in our properties in Sri Lanka.
This is mainly for existing members or?
Both for the existing members as well as the new members also.
Okay.
So we give this special offer, and also for the existing members who tend to get new referral program, even we give them also. So I mean, it's Country Club, as you know, basically we are not exclusive, we are inclusive. We try to blend everybody together. It is like Country Club is made for the people of the country, and like if you are asking what kind of people come to Country Club, I was telling you have member's wife, nana, nani, bacche bhi aate. So it is one of the biggest family chain of clubs in the world, actually speaking, because this kind of an environment. If you go to the Western, this thing, it's only boy and girl, or boyfriend, girlfriend, or husband, wife. But here, for a family, it cater, because it's more like a family club, and this is unbelievable, actually. That when 2 million people, it's like a big community coming together,
and we have celebrated so many festivals. Whether आप देखो, whether it is Navratri, 9 दिन, तो पूरा all roads lead to country club. Whether it is Baisakhi, whether it is Lohri, whether it is Christmas Eve, whether it is New Year. I mean, New Year you will see, all the roads will be packed. When I first started the country club here, a lot of people said, "Ab country club Bombay ka dur hai." But सामने, right in the front, I had taken a penthouse on lease, and we used to show people on the binoculars that the country club is going to come there, country club is going to come there. So it is an unbelievable story, because 20 साल पहले I got an opportunity to enter Bombay, and we entered Bombay and finished the project in record time. And all the big celebrities like Salman Khan had come here. He had performed for us. So when I invited him, he came on a motorbike. And ये पूरा traffic jam हो गया पूरा. And of course he...
Salman being Salman.
Yeah. And we had, of course, a small party, and morning 2 o'clock tak party. Then while he was going, I didn't allow him to go on his motorcycle. I gave him my car. I told him drop him properly, because as a host, I felt responsible that he should be dropped properly. And his performance in Bangalore, actually, that was a press conference for in Bangalore opening another club. That was fantastic. It was attended by 20,000 people. So also like Shah Rukh Khan, if you see Google and all those things, no, when he came for a performance in Dubai, it was a really wonderful performance. In fact, though he came a little late, he was very apologetic and very nice. And he just said, "Hello, Mr. Thumbs Up Reddy, sorry for being late. The flight got delayed." And then press के बीच में रोक के, and again he joined the press conference, and he gave a sterling performance. So what I'm trying to tell you is, we are very, very comfortable, very friendly with Bollywood and Tollywood also. So, I mean, yeah. Like Govinda had performed, Vivek Oberoi had performed, and Malika Arora had performed.
So country club this year attraction will be what? Special attraction?
It is war of the DJs. The music, people want to dance. People want to dance with their families, and people want to be left to themselves. It is, apart from being star-driven, there are a lot of people, because you have to understand, the entire generation is changing. This is a generational gap which we are addressing. We are this thing through war of the DJs. War of the DJs is nothing but music and youngsters and people who want to be left to themselves. So apart from that, we are having the star curtain. So it is really very, the response has been phenomenal so far.
लास्ट सवाल है कि आपने 10 साल पहले कंट्री क्लब आते थे तो एज ए मुंबई से आते थे, आज आप एक सेलिब्रिटी है, तो दोनों का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा था कंट्री क्लब आने?
इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन जी. पहले मैं ऑफ कोर्स मैंने फैमिली पैकेज लिया था, सो मेरे पूरी फैमिली कंट्री क्लब विजिट करती है, और मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, क्योंकि मैं पास में ही रहती हूँ, सो इट्स बीन वेरी गुड. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं करने के लिए. आई कम हियर टू स्विम, और यहाँ पे स्क्वॉश है, यहाँ पे टेनिस है, यहाँ पे जिम है. आई लव फिटनेस, तो मैं ज़्यादा जिम ही यूज़ करती हूँ. और कभी कभी जब टाइम नहीं रहता है जिम के लिए, तो एक क्विक स्विमिंग आई थिंक वो एक बेस्ट रहता है. और यहाँ का खाना लाइक ऑफकोर्स जिम करने के बाद बहुत भूख भी लगती है, तो इनका खाना भी इट्स अमेजिंग. यहाँ के टीम, यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग हैं, they are very, very nice, they are very caring, they make sure they take care of all the members.
Yeah, members. Team is the most important thing.
Yeah.
सेलिब्रिटी बनने के बाद तो एक्सपीरियंस अलग रहा होगा.
सेलिब्रिटी बनने के बाद इट्स द सेम एक्सपीरियंस, बिकॉज फ़र्क यही है कि मैं 31st को परफॉर्म कर रही हूँ. अदरवाइज दे हैव ऑलवेज ट्रीटेड मी लाइक अ सेलिब्रिटी ओनली. So this is the best thing.